Today we dive deep into the fascinating yet challenging world of wild boars, one of the most adaptable and intelligent game animals found across many regions of the world. These animals, often underestimated by casual observers, have evolved incredible survival skills that make them both elusive and formidable. Their behavior is complex, highly social, and deeply tied to their natural environment. Wild boars typically live in groups known as sounders. These sounders generally consist of females and their young offspring, forming tight-knit social units that work together for survival. Mature males, on the other hand, tend to be more solitary, roaming independently except during the breeding season when they join the groups temporarily. Understanding these social structures is essential for hunters seeking ethical and effective approaches to hunting, as the dynamics within a sounder can influence how the animals move, forage, and react to potential threats. Wild boars are primarily nocturnal creatures, exhibiting their highest levels of activity during dawn and dusk. Their sensory abilities are remarkable. They possess an acute sense of smell and highly sensitive hearing, which allows them to detect danger long before a hunter comes into view. This combination of stealth, intelligence, and instinct makes them elusive targets, requiring hunters to move carefully, blend into their surroundings, and exercise patience. Their foraging behavior is equally extraordinary. Using their powerful, muscular snouts, wild boars root through soil, leaf litter, and undergrowth in search of roots, tubers, insects, and small animals. This rooting not only highlights their adaptability and survival skills, but also explains why they are often considered agricultural pests. The damage they can cause to crops and local ecosystems is significant, making responsible and regulated hunting a crucial tool for population management and ecological balance. Hunters must carefully assess the boar's posture, alertness, and movement, as these animals are strong, fast, and capable of sudden bursts of speed. Their muscular build and dense hide demand accuracy to ensure humane kills, with vital organs targeted to minimize suffering. Hunting wild boars is not merely about shooting. It's about strategy, observation, and respect. Hunters must track these animals through a variety of terrains, noting signs such as wallows, footprints, trails, and rooting marks. These subtle indicators reveal their patterns, feeding grounds, and preferred hiding spots. Boars tend to favor dense vegetation and areas near water sources, which provide both cover and access to essential resources. Understanding these preferences allows hunters to anticipate movement patterns and plan their approach accordingly. In addition to physical tracking, hunters often rely on knowledge of seasonal behaviors, noting changes in activity levels during breeding seasons or periods of food scarcity. These insights are vital for maintaining both ethical hunting practices and ecological sustainability. Safety is paramount throughout this process. Wild boars, though not predators in the conventional sense, are highly defensive and can be aggressive. If threatened, a hunter must maintain awareness of surroundings, adhere to proper firearm handling protocols, and avoid unnecessary risks. Conservation is also a key consideration. Wild boar populations, if left unchecked, can grow exponentially, leading to habitat degradation, crop destruction, and disruption of local wildlife populations. Responsible hunting not only protects human interests but also ensures ecological balance, supporting biodiversity and preventing overpopulation. This episode also emphasizes the patience required to truly understand these animals. For the first minute of observation, hunters remain completely still, allowing the boars to move freely without sensing danger. This silent patience is often the difference between a successful, ethical hunt and a wasted opportunity. Each shot must be deliberate and considered, reflecting a deep respect for the life of the animal. Ethical hunting practices extend beyond the act of shooting. They encompass the planning, observation, and careful decision-making that defines responsible engagement with wildlife. Throughout the hunt, it becomes evident that wild boars are more than mere game animals. They are intelligent, adaptive, and highly resilient creatures. Their ability to navigate dense forests, avoid predators, and exploit a wide variety of food sources demonstrates evolutionary sophistication.
If you'll enjoy this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more information.